Here we've got DOOGEE S50, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, then open the settings, find and pick accounts, and click on Google if you currently are logged in. As you can see, here is my Google account, and to remove it all you have to do is to tap on this more icon and then select remove account. Confirm that you want to delete this account with all its messages, contacts and other data by tapping on remove account. And then confirm by tapping on OK, then enter your unlock pattern, and that's it. As you can see, it disappeared. Then if you would like to add the account, just open the settings again, pick accounts one more time, and then tap on add account. Here you have to select Google, obviously. And now enter your email address. So just click here, enter your email address. And then click on next. Now just enter the unlocked pattern, so just give me a few seconds to do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just tap on next. And here you can come along with all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. Then just tap on I agree. And click on accept to finish the whole operation. As you can see, now your Google account is added. Here it is, so here you've got all details. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.